Hi, Early World History, and welcome to Miss Moses' Canvas course. This video focuses on Week 3, The Age of Absolutism. You have two assignments that are going to be due. Assignment number 1, what is absolutism? You're going to analyze the graphic organizer below and answer the two questions that follow. And you can write your answers on a piece of paper and upload that picture, or you can type your response in a text below. So, a couple of key things to note. Absolute monarchy is the form of government where one person has absolute control. An absolute monarch, or an autocrat, is a person who rules an absolute monarchy. They are what we call the monarch. They could be the king, the prince, etc. So our graphic organizer is going to show some characteristics of an autocrat. In other words, what would we see a ruler of a monarchy demonstrating? And here is the differences that we see. Top corner, we have using armies, limiting or controlling the power of the nobles, making the laws, circumvents, ignores, or uses assemblies to approve or rubber stamp the ruler's initiatives, and controls religious authorities. Your two questions. Number 1, based on the image, list 5 strategies monarchs use to maintain their power. What are the 5 things they do according to this picture that keeps them in power? 2, the image reads, the ruler limits or controls the power of the nobles. The nobles are people in the land-owning upper class. Why would an absolute monarch focus his energy on controlling this class of people? Why aren't they trying to control the peasants or maybe some knights? Why nobles? Once you've responded to those two questions, you're going to click on Home, go on back, and click on your second assignment. This is going to be Louis XIV, the Sun King. We're going to read the overview of Louis XIV and then watch a video that is linked below. While you watch the video, identify 3 to 5 important ideas for the video. You can write your answers on a piece of paper and upload the picture, type your answers in a box, or email it to Mrs. Moses. So, your reading is going to have an overview, and Louis XIV marries, takes the throne, and asserts his divine right to rule. When you're ready to watch the video, it's going to be right here, and it looks to be about 7 minutes long, okay? Remember, while you're watching the video, think of 3, 4, or 5 different important facts or ideas from the video that you want to retype up. Once you have gotten those 3, 4, or 5 facts, you're going to submit them as your last assignment. If you have any questions or concerns about submitting anything, please make sure you're reaching out.